Yellowstone volcano experts at the US Geological Survey, USGS, have warned that the state of Idaho is extremely likely to experience multiple earthquakes and eruptions before Yellowstone does. Seismic activity has risen in central Idaho in the past 20 months, prompting fears of something sinister brewing in the neighboring Yellowstone National Park. According to the USGS, Idaho has been rocked by a series of aftershocks after a magnitude 6.5 quake struck near Stanley in late March last year. As of Monday, USGS experts have recorded more than 4,300 aftershocks, which the agency claimed has alarmed some people. Although Yellowstone is mostly contained within the northwest corner of Wyoming, parts of the national park extend into Montana and Idaho. And Yellowstone Park is, of course, home to the Yellowstone volcano caldera, an active supervolcano many people fear is overdue for an eruption. Although the USGS has assured this is not the case, the cycle of eruptions has led many to believe Yellowstone erupts like clockwork and that we are overdue for another blast. But even if Yellowstone is not overdue and is not expected to erupt anytime soon, could the Idaho seismicity 155 miles away have any impact on the volcano's odds of blowing? According to the USGS, the simple answer is no. The agency said, aftershocks are a normal and forecastable phenomenon following tectonic earthquakes caused when the Earth's crust moves past itself along fractures called faults. This movement usually happens very quickly as stored tectonics force is released. The energy produced by the fault movement is converted into seismic waves that radiate outward from the rupture. Geologists estimate faults rupture at a length of a few tens to 100s of kilometers at a time. The Stanley earthquake rupture on March 31 was measured at about 12 miles (20 kilometers) long. This particular fault is part of the Basin and Range Province, which the USGS said has no direct link to the magmatic system under Yellowstone. The group added, "Does all this seismic activity in central Idaho affect the Yellowstone volcanic field? Not in any significant way. Large, distant earthquakes can cause changes to geysers and hot springs within Yellowstone because shaking fractures the fragile subsurface hot water plumbing systems. However, significant tectonic stresses are not transmitted very far.